Hello everyone, Mr. Yard here. Thanks very much for joining me for another geometry lesson. Today we're going to be talking about symmetrical shapes. We're also going to be talking about lines of symmetry. Okay? First thing I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you a house shape. This is a polygon. We know it's a polygon because we have straight sides of a closed shape. This is a flat, two-dimensional shape. This is definitely a polygon. I'm going to show you another shape. This is an ice cream cone. This is not a polygon. It is a flat shape. It is two-dimensional. It's a closed shape. It does have some straight lines, but as you can see here up in the delicious ice cream part of the ice cream cone, those are not straight lines, so it's not a polygon. Okay? I want you guys to take a second and think which of these two shapes is symmetrical. Okay, if you think that the house shape is symmetrical, you are absolutely right. Okay? A symmetrical shape is a shape that we can divide to make it exactly equal or congruent on the both sides. So for example, if I take my house shape and I fold it right down the middle here, I can fold it in a way where both sides of the shape are exactly the same. If I fold it right over, right, you guys can see they are congruent, which means they are exactly the same size and same shape. Okay? Now, this line that divides my symmetrical shape into two equal or two exact shapes, two congruent shapes, is called the line of symmetry. Okay? Line of symmetry is going to be very important. Okay? So this is my line of symmetry, which divides my shape into two congruent pieces. Okay? I'm going to show you guys two more shapes. Let's put our house over here so we can remember it for later. I'm going to show you a diamond shape, quadrilateral shape, polygon, straight sides. And I'm going to show you another quadrilateral. In this case, it's a parallelogram. Take a minute. Which of these shapes is symmetrical? Okay, so we can do a quick test. Let's test our parallelogram first. See if we can fold it or divide it in a way where both parts are exactly the same. I'm going to try folding it this way. It's not working there. These corners are not working there. I can't find any line of symmetry in this shape, right? Even if I divide it here, it's not symmetrical. It's not exactly the same. Right? It's close, but it's not. I can't find a line of symmetry. With my diamond, however, I can find more than one line of symmetry. So I can fold it this way. I have a line of symmetry here. That's exactly the same on both sides, right? I can also fold it this way and find these two halves are exactly the same as well. So in this case, this shape has two lines of symmetry. I can divide the shape in two different ways where both are exactly the same. Those are exactly congruent. They're the exact same size and shape. And these are congruent as well. Exact same size and shape. Okay? Let's look at one more example. I'm going to show you guys this square. This is a perfect square. Okay? Take a minute and think, how many lines of symmetry can you find in this shape? Okay, I hope you found more than 2. Let's check together. I'm going to draw them this time. Okay, so I'm going to start with an easy one, which is if I draw a vertical line, that is one line of symmetry there, right? These two sides are exactly the same. I can draw a horizontal line that will divide this shape exactly in half for another line of symmetry. So I now have 2 lines of symmetries. I can also cut my shape in half this way. 3 lines of symmetries. And of course, I can do the other corner to corner diagonal to make 4 lines of symmetry. My square has 4 lines of symmetry. If you're not sure what a symmetrical shape is, remember a symmetrical shape is a shape that has at least 1 line of symmetry, right? If I have a shape that I cannot divide in half, fold in half so that the 2 sides are exactly the same, it is a non-symmetrical shape. Okay? Rewatch the video if you need to. Before you do the quiz, please make sure you watch the second video that I've attached. Take good care of yourselves, and we will see you again in the next lesson. Bye.